guys, welcome to Phone Browser, and dun dun dun, this is the Hotwav Hyper7, and today I'm going to have a very quick hands-on and test video about the new device from Hotwav, and this time I have the Hotwav Hyper7, and this is the maker's design style large device from Hotwav, and this is also a custom and light edition of the Hyper7 Pro. And now we can find the basic specification about the device and the back label of the device. And today we have two colors, the yellow one and also the red one. And next I will check it one by one, and I will show you the appearance and main features about the device. So after I open the box, the phone is in front of us, and they provide Hotwav user manual. Yes, and also here is another small box. I think not so easy to get it out. I think they should improve this. The unboxing experience is not so good. They should focus on it as well. And also in this small box we get the screen eraser. Yes, this we can use this to clean the screen, and we can also use to put the screen protect on it. And also this is the type C to USB cable, and also this is the charging cable, type C to type C. And this time they provide a 10,800 mAh battery with 33 watt fast charging, and this is the type C to type C. GAN, okay, the GM fast charger, good. Fast charger, very nice. And next, let's get the phone out from the box. And this is the yellow color. As we can see, this time they use the unique lost doors maker style back panel. It's also kind of sport style, and this can really make you stand out from the crowded when you use this phone. And this is the front side. We can find at the front side, it's just like the normal larger phones. The four corners are enhanced, and the frame, the mantle frame, and also the front side, the screen is synced to the edge of the smartphone, so it can really well protect the front side when you drop it. And also this is the dramatic design of the phone. Yes, this is the back panel, and this is the customized key, the red one. And also the special one for this device is they have added a sense of interaction with RGB dynamic light, and this is also the special one compared to the Hyper7 Pro, and I will show you later in the next video to test these funny functions. So this is all the stuff inside the box, and we can put it here. And so I'll put the smartphone here. Yes, and this is another one. Yes, the Hotwav Hyper7 red color. So same, here's the menu, the cable, and type C to USB A cable, the charger, and also the phone. I think the only difference between two devices is the red decoration part as the back side of the phone. Also, yes, the cable, two cable, and screen protect. Oh, this is special. I will put it aside. Same. Good. Yes, I also get the phone out from the box, and I put it here. So also we get the phone out. This is screen protector. Red one. Yes, Hyper7, the front side value button, power button, and also the customized key button. So this is a red and yellow one, Hyper7, and the only difference comes from the lines at the back panel. The left one is yellow and the right one is red color. And the back panel features a eye-catching mecha design. It can really enhanced by glossy sheen from Hotwav's new lock plating process. Okay, and also the screen protector, you can find the Hyper7 special logo of the Hyper series phone, and this is good, easy to recognize. And now this is the camera zoom, and this time they provide a 64 megapixel rear camera and 32 megapixel front camera. And also we can go to settings to check more information about the device. And this time is a 5G powered Roger phone powered by the MediaTek Dimensity 7050 5G chip, and it supports 8GB RAM plus virtual 12GB RAM plus 256GB RAM, and the screen is 6.6 FHD plus 120Hz refresh rate, 2K display resolution screen, and it supports, yes, as I mentioned, it's a big battery, 10,800, and also the Android powered by Android 14 OS. And support the face unlock and the fingerprint to unlock the device. Okay, the screen refresh rate, 120Hz refresh rate. And don't forget, this is a IP68, IP69K, and a military standard 810H Roger device. It's a 2025 ruggedness advanced assemble techniques used at Hotwav Hyper7, and it supports water, dust, and drop resistance. And also we can have a very simple test of the cameras. So it's not like the last generation Hyper7Pro is 200 megapixel. This time it's just 64 megapixel. But also I think it's also good. Yes, we can have some sample pictures. Okay, so we can check some pictures and zoom. 4 times zoom. Okay, take a sample picture. Okay. I think one thing to improve is zoom, the software. Okay, this is selfie. We can not find the the zoom plate to adjust it. It's not so user friendly for the one hand. Yes. So this is the front camera. Yes, so for the real one, I think it can really capture details. Yes, this is the details. 64 megapixel. It also supports the 64 megapixel camera mode and night mode, and also pro mode, and also for the Sony selfie camera is upgraded to stunning quality. It can capture sharp, revealing images with ease. Okay. And also I forget to mention it's supported 4K video recording, and also it's a big leap in the video recording for the Roger phones. Not every Roger phone support it. Okay, so these are the Hyper7. Next, I will have a simple comparison with the Hyper7 Pro. Okay, because they also sent me the Hyper7 Pro for testing, and sure, I will hands on together and show you. So okay, let's take the Hyper7 Pro out from box, and now we can find there's some apparent difference among these two phones. For the Hyper7 Pro, it's leather material, back panel, and there's a second real screen, and there's no LED, the dynamic LED burst light, and also the camera and the sensor. It's not supported. The infrared emitters are not supported on the basic Hyper7, and also the mecha style design is also not used on the Hyper7 Pro. Yes. So this appearance difference very easy to recognize it at the back side, but from front side it's difficult to tell it. It's same. Yeah, so this is the back side. So for the Hyper7 Pro, second screen and leather material back side, and also the night vision sensor. But for the basic one, it's added the dynamic LED light and also the mecha design. And here we find that the difference between these two devices. Same for the MediaTek Dimensity 70805 chip. The RAM and ROM, the Pro one is 66 GB RAM to plus 256, but for the 7, just 8 plus 12 GB RAM plus 256 GB ROM. And for the camera, 20 megapixel, 200 megapixel for the Pro, and 64 megapixel for the 7. Screen size same, 120 Hz refresh rate same, battery same, and the Hyper LED camera light same, Android OS same. And we can have a comparison testing of the camera part. So for the front certification, the Hyper7 Pro get a better camera sense, but we can check it and test it. And I forgot to mention the RAM and ROM support LPDDR5 and UFS 3.1 for both devices. So now we check the performance, camera performance. And both support dual band Wi-Fi 6, and also they have advanced image noise reduction and AI camera enhancement for both devices. And also the MediaTek Hyper Engine 0.0 are houses on this chip. So it can optimize the smartphone performance for gaming. And this is a front camera comparison and the rear camera comparison about the two devices. Okay, now we can check the difference between these two devices. And also the battery, 10,800 battery, and it's capable of 50 hours standby and 45 hours talk time, and 100 hours music and 30 hours video. And this is easy to recognize the different tuning of the front camera. And if we want to charge the smartphone to around 40 minutes, 50%, and if you want to fully charge it, and it takes 150 minutes. And also the details. Okay, so it's the quick and very simple comparison between the Hyper7 and Hyper7 Pro. And also we go to settings to check it as well. 100 refresh rate, same. And I think the biggest difference comes from the camera, the 200 megapixel Pro, and it also support the night vision 24 megapixel and also support infrared illuminators. But for the Pro one, it's just get a 64 megapixel main camera and also auxiliary camera. No night vision camera, but for the front side, same. And also if we go to the talking about the camper LED light, is This is second screen. Also the big feature of the Hyper7 Pro. It's a 1.45 second screen. So yes, these three phones, two are Hyper7, and the right one is the Hyper7 Pro, and you can leave comment and let me know which one you like. And they are very similar design, but also they give some difference. And also all of them are a good partner for you to go outdoors, and it can support the camplight I've already mentioned, and it's a big battery, and it weighs around 510 LED bursts and 6-watt power, and also the 280 lumens. All of them support, and for you can easily to tell the different certification from the back label at the bottom of the smartphone box, so you can easily and quickly get the difference between them as well from the labels. So yes, this is a quick hands-on and unboxing and also comparison video among the three devices. And thanks for watching my content, and I will have another video to test the IP6 rating. Okay, the camplight. Okay, thanks for watching. Let's stay tuned and waiting for more questions from here. And please make a comment and let me know your thoughts on which one you like. Okay, this is today's my content. Bye bye.